This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Cursor AI versus VS Code. We'll dive into their core functionalities, examining their unique approaches to code editing and development. We'll evaluate their integrated AI capabilities, extensibility, and overall performance. Our goal is to help you understand the key differences and determine which integrated development environment, or IDE, is the better fit for your specific coding needs and workflow, ensuring you make an informed decision. Cursor AI stands out as an AI-first integrated development environment designed to supercharge your coding. It offers deep AI integration for tasks like code generation, debugging, and refactoring directly within the editor. Many users report significant productivity boosts, sometimes up to 30%, thanks to its intelligent suggestions and automated assistance. If you prioritize an IDE that actively helps you write and understand code with advanced artificial intelligence, Cursor AI is a compelling choice for modern development. VS Code, on the other hand, is renowned for its incredible versatility and vast extension marketplace. It provides robust debugging tools, seamless Git integration, and extensive language support, making it a favorite among millions of developers. Its performance remains excellent, even with dozens of extensions, and you can customize nearly every aspect to perfectly match your workflow. For those who value a lightweight, highly extensible, and community-driven editor with unparalleled flexibility, VS Code continues to be a top contender. So, which is better for you? If your primary goal is to leverage cutting-edge artificial intelligence for maximum coding efficiency and automated assistance, Cursor AI is likely your ideal choice. However, if you prefer a highly customizable, lightweight, and incredibly extensible editor with a massive community and a rich ecosystem of plugins, then VS Code remains an excellent option. Consider your project's demands and personal preferences to select the integrated development environment that best empowers your development journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.